So we know that the grid is going to expand, and we know that we need this to include more renewables to target the climate crisis, but it's also very important to target the biodiversity crisis, and this is what we do at RGI. This is why we decided to organize this kind of workshop, also in the framework of Safe Lines for Birds. Today we gathered in Berlin with more than 30 NGOs and coming from different countries in Europe and beyond Europe. And this is really important that we all hear from each other experience and advices, because obviously they have different experiences in those different countries in Europe. We also have heard a very good incentive of the technical issues that some NGOs are facing, but also more on the legislation part, the regulatory framework, or the trust and cost issues that they can face. And together, today, we will try to first identify common challenges between all these NGOs and together find some solutions and agree on what do we need. What do we need from the decision makers to move forward to protect birds along the grid? And we, RGI, we're gonna write a report, incentive for actions coming out of this workshop that will be disseminated and shared through decision makers at national levels, but also at European levels. And this is why this workshop is really important, that that the outcome of the discussions will be in the future summarized in this document and shared in Europe and beyond Europe. And we are very hopeful that this can change and help the birds along the grid. The grid operators, the DSOs, the distribution system operators, the TSOs, they also need to be involved in the process. We do need to have all the actors concerned by the issue together at the same table and to engage and foster dialogue. This is what we actually gonna do next year. So this year was the first step to have all the NGOs together agreeing on what they need, what we need. And next year we will have a similar conference, a similar workshop, but this time with the grid operators and the NGOs together discussing the same topic.